Okay, so I'd like to explain how did I come up with this trading idea for next week, starting September 2, 2024. Uh, I will just rework the whole thing again so that you understand how did I come up with this. Okay, so I'll delete everything for now and I will go to the monthly time frame. I think so many analysts today are just saying that it's time for GU to start going down again. I don't see why. It still has a very long way to go. Uh, and I think it will hit this resistance sooner or later. And at the same time, it can also go down. So I disagree with those who are just shorting GU now on the high time frame. However, if we look at the longer time frame, at the lower time frame, we have a good opportunity today to actually take a short, taking advantage of the reversal or the correction that will happen after these two very bullish months. Okay, going to the weekly, I can see that the correction has started and it also has a long way to retrace before it starts going up again. On the daily, I can see exactly the same thing. So the price went up, retraced, went up again, and now it needs to retrace. It can retrace here, it can go down to the 50 MA, it can go down a bit lower before it starts going up again. So my short-term view on GU is bearish. My long-term view on GU is still bullish. I'm talking about a trade that I will be taking tomorrow or on Monday, and this specific trade will have to be bearish, taking advantage, as I said, on the fact that it's retracing back down. Going to the 4-hour time frame, I can see a very beautiful head and shoulder pattern here. I think everyone can clearly notice it. It doesn't happen that clearly all the time. This head and shoulders started to go down, retraced, and then started to go down again. This is exactly how head and shoulders should be. Okay, so now at the 4-hour time frame, I would like to look at the very recent swing high, and I can see it here on the fib. Okay, and then I would say that the 50% fib, which I don't trade myself all the time, but it coincides with this level here that you can see. And this level here is somehow an old resistance that now can turn into support. So based on this, if I look here, I can see that the price has some kind of a 83 or 82 pips range to go down on the lower time frame, which is 4-hour and 1 hour. So now what I will do, I will draw a line here, okay, exactly on the 50% level, and I would say on the 50% level, on this level specifically, I would say this is the 50% fib retracement level on the 4-hour time frame. Bullish move. Make it very easy. Okay, then I will delete the fib and I will have now to understand on the 1-hour time frame how the price could play out. Go to the 1 hour and I will look the other way around. Now I look at the very recent uh, lower high, take it all the way down, and I see that the golden zone here coincides with the 50 MA as well. So I will put this line here with an alert. saying when the price hits this point, I would like to take my sell trade. And I will put the short position exactly this way, taking this and going all the way down to the 50% level of the 4-hour bullish move. By now, I have a trade that is set for next week, a trade idea, which I would like to see it playing out. If it does, this will be a risk to reward ratio of 2 to 1, which for me is more than enough. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.